And if you can't see it, 241 FPS, which is excellent. Anything over 60 or 100, it's doing excellent. This is just the first game, and the fans are spinning. I see no lights, so I'm not too worried about it. It's looking pretty good. And this is the widescreen, 10 millimeter at f2.8. What do you think? It's a Sigma. ISO is 1000, 1250, shutter speed is 1/125th. 4K 60. Look at that, 307. Folks, on the 4090 I get like 358, so that's not too bad. Okay, and I'm going to close that. I'm going to go to GPU Z real quick. I want to look at the temperature. So I see, look, 45 degrees. Hot spot is 54. And if I do core, it's about 56 degrees, and that's just with one fan, folks. So I'm going to put these two here, and I'm going to download the next game, and then we'll benchmark that. Okay, the big reveal. So I have two blue LEDs here, and I have three up here. I might change out the memory to blue, change it to blue static. I added another fan to the CPU, so it was running at 42 degrees. And what you probably can't see right now is it's on 15. So after it boots, I'll get some more light. So I see it's 15 now. It should go to white. There we go. Keyboard comes on. Monitor comes on. There we go. And there you have it. Okay? So, let's bring it up a little bit closer. There's the monitor. I can change it out. But I had blue lights there and underneath, and it's blowing air on the graphics card. You can't see. I don't know if I'm going to change out the fans. It's doing a great job cooling. I got the RGB, so I had these fans. I didn't want to pay any extra money for a hub and Corsair fans or Thermaltake. It was just too expensive. So I can change the lights where I can have it like a light blue. But let's go around the case. I haven't taken the plastic off yet on all of them. And it's very neat. It's very easy to take this off. See the top? This is magnetic. And I have a USB-C, 2 USB 3s, power button, and then speakers. That's a speaker microphone thing. So it's pretty good. So guess what I'm going to do now? I'm going to turn on the light. And I'm going to do some peeling. And this is the hard part. I think there's one here too. There we go. Apply that fingernail. And there you have it, folks. So this is the Y70 by HYTE. HYTE. Okay? So, HYTE. Very quiet. But look at that. It's a beautiful case, isn't it? That's a masterpiece. So I might change the processor out, or the CPU fan later. Guy tried to sell me a white motherboard, and I says, nah, I already got it. Already spent money on it, and it's working pretty good. But look at that. It's just beautiful. So there's a complete one. Now let's run some benchmarks. And trying to get, I should make it a little bit higher on the tripod. I think I'll do that.